Sunday morning comes around, no, I'm stirring memories with my wooden spoon. Basil leaves dancing to this lazy tune. The way you used to hum while chopping herbs. Now silence fills the spaces between my words, but I keep cooking like you're coming home, though I know I'm eating dinner alone. Oh, these hands remember what they used to make. Eating bitter, happy and sad. La da 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 da. Sunday mornings. La da da da. Sunday mornings. Alright, gives me reason for these tears tonight. I season everything with salt and thyme, hoping flavors help me draw the line between this and you. I'm moving on. Every recipe's a choice I have to take. Sunday mornings used to mean something more. 2 plates sitting on this kitchen floor. Now I'm cooking. Da 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 da. Sunday morning. Still taste you in the air. All day I'll set 1 plate instead. Maybe someday I'll make peace with what you said, but for now I'll keep this ritual with a happy and sad. Da 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 da. Sunday morning. Da 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 da. Sunday mornings. Steam rising, your hands in mine, time suspending, warmth weaving through our silence. Steam rising, come back to me, come back to me, for simmering afternoons. Come back to me, come back to me, where memory blooms. Salt and thyme, taste of yesterday in your rain. Heat that held us close and kind.